What's up, folks? Welcome to Fabco 806, and today we're going to be talking about the ARC Captain. I don't know if y'all know what that is. Oops, there it is. The ARCCAPTAIN MIG205MP. Let me tell you about this machine real quick. This machine, 5 features in it. The MIG, that's what we do. Flux core, we really don't mess with that too much. DC TIG, we do. Stick welding. Man, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've never stick welded. And of course, the plasma cutter. This thing is super lightweight. It really is. I mean, if you compare it to any other machine, I've had Hobarts, Millers, Lincolns, and this thing is super lightweight and super powerful.
I was very surprised by the size of the machine, because if you look at the cart that we have, you know, we were kind of...
I didn't know what to expect. So I bought the cart, yep, and now I like that I bought this cart because look what I have here, plasma cutter. If I need to hook up my other things, here's my TIG torch, which is super cool. I've never had one of these, I've seen them, but this is a weld cleaner. It doesn't come with the weld solution, but once you get it hooked up, you'll be able to clean your welds and get them real nice and shiny. I'm super excited for this. And then of course we have, just another line for our gas. Came with the extra line. And then of course, for your stick welder. So, I don't know nothing about that, but we'll figure it out.
You got your MIG welder set up?
I've got my MIG welder set up, but before we talk about the MIG welder setup, I was setting up my plasma cutter, and the line that it gives you is for a gas line. You know, the same gas line you use for your gas. We're using 100% CO2, by the way, because I do sheet metal, and for sheet metal I prefer the 100 CO2. So anyways, I've got one of my old hoses off my old welder. You see where I cut it, and then all I did, I had to go get me a fitting.
Yeah, because we didn't quite like the one that it had. We couldn't get it to set up to our air, so we had to.
Right. We couldn't get it to work. This way works way nicer. So don't forget, if you do, just get you an old hose, connect it, get you the fitting you need. I don't even remember the gauge, the size, but
I want to say it was a 5/16.
we'll stick with that. Of course, my tip so I can connect my air. I won't connect it just yet. Also in the front, I just want y'all to see how awesome. Look at that. This machine talks to you too. So it's kind of like an instructor for the beginners, people out there learning how to weld. This machine will help you get better. As you're welding, it talks to you, so you have to listen to it and see what it tells you what you're doing wrong. And it's got a synergic feature. You set what gauge you're welding on, and it recommends the voltage. So everything is just in here perfectly. Now we're set up. Come over here. You hit this button. We're set up for 21 gauge. I'm gonna pull it down to about, let's go to 18 gauge. And really I'm gonna weld some square tubing, and the square tubing is actually 16 gauge, but 18's fine.
That's neat that it already has it set up. So like I remember on your other machine, you would change the dials, but you would just change it based on what you knew.
Right.
So for somebody that has no idea, as long as you know the thickness of your metal, you can start from there and adjust.
Exactly.
Parameter saved.
So basically what we're gonna do is just a quick little run. This is 16 gauge. Oh. It also comes with the ground. I guess it would work if we were connected. So I'm just gonna do a couple tacks just to hold it in place, and then I'll just run a bead and we'll go from there, see what it looks like and see what it sounds like. Now let's come back to this real quick. I'm using 030, so in this setting right here you can change it, see 035. 040, 023. I'm using 030. Up here in this setting, that's my gases. If you're going to use flux, we're using CO2, so I'm just going to leave it at CO2. 2T and 4T. Okay, down here we can change cut mode, clean mode. I can't read that.
It says MMA. I think that's the stick.
Oh, the stick welding. Okie dokie. Here we go. Let me get my glasses on just so I can see what I'm doing. Ooh, that sounded good. So now that it's on there, I'm gonna run a bead. Let's clean that up real quick because that looks kind of ugly. Okay, so basically it said that I touched this, you know, prematurely, and I need to pull off a little bit because every time I touch it.
Short circuit between welding torch and work surface is what she said.
Yeah, so basically I just have to keep it off before I pull the trigger and make sure not to touch it, and then just let the rod touch it. So here we go. Ooh, wow, look at that. Now, pretty happy with that. And this is only running in a 110. You have a 110 and a 220 feature. Of course, 220 would only work even nicer. 110 works very nice. I mean, I don't know what else to say. The thing works pretty dang nice, for real. Like anything that makes your welds look nice, makes your job easier, it's just that much better. Especially for if you're a beginner and you're first learning. I'm telling you, this is the machine. This is the one you want. Because look at that. I just laid that down right now. I'm gonna try it one more time in case y'all don't believe me. This one was gonna run it all the way through. We'll do it from right to left to be different. There it is, folks. Here's my credit card.
And I actually think this one, I think you said 1,000, but I think it's 1,000. I think this machine goes for $799.
So all I know, if you hit the promo code FABCO806, y'all get 5% off. So you already know.
Come on now.
Yeah, this is real nice. Like seriously, look at that. Y'all want to grade it? I give me an A+. Let's just try the side, and what I'm gonna do is just like one spot weld, spot weld, spot weld, spot weld, spot weld, and just see what that looks like. Woo! Look at that. Not bad. Not too bad. I really like that.
And the link for this welder is going to be at the very top of the description box, so you can't miss it. I'm going to throw it right at the top for y'all.
ARCCAPTAIN, remember that? MIG205MP. Stands for Master Pro. No, I'm not sure what it stands for, but
it sounds great.
Right, and that's what you'll be welding like with it, so I'd stick with it if I were y'all. I'm gonna do a continuous one here just because I'm having too much fun right now. Man. And I don't know if any of y'all know about sound, but that's the sound you want to hear when you're welding. It just sound, there's a perfect tone to it, and it's hard to dismiss a nice sounding welder. ARCCAPTAIN, you my best friend. So please y'all, check out the description. We're gonna leave all the links below. I think the next feature we're gonna try to use is the plasma cutter, just because I want to show y'all how easy it is if you're welding something and you need to cut something right quick. It's as easy as setting this down. So now I set it to cut mode. It's got a little safety switch, so you got to pull it up so you're able to pull the trigger.
Please pull out the adapter.
Please pull out the adapter. See, she guides you along the way.
Exactly. So what I did wrong there was I left my ground for MIG welding, and I need to move it over to over here. So Let me try it now, see if it works. I don't think that one goes over there, but I'm just gonna try it like this. Watch your eyes. Oh, safety. Folks, yes, it's as easy as basically hitting this to cut. You move your ground over and you cut. You ready to get back to welding? You're gonna change your mode back to MIG.
And move your ground.
It tells you to please put your adapter to the negative where it belongs. You put your ground back over here, and then now
You're back to
you
welding,
are
but look
back
at that.
to welding. And that is a very clean cut for, all we have is air in the tank right now because we just moved into the shop and
Yeah, we don't have our new compressor hooked up, so we literally have that tank.
full of air.
Yeah.
And that's it. So now, if I said, oops, I made a mistake, put that back, and I'm gonna weld it back on. There it is, folks. ARCCAPTAIN Mig205MP. Get yours today, seriously. This machine's gonna change your life and it's gonna change the quality of your work. Please, look at this. Don't forget.
Super impressive.
Extremely impressive. ARCCAPTAIN, you've got me sold, 100%. So guys, in our next video, I'm gonna go get me some weld solution so we can try out the weld cleaner. I'm super excited about this. Look at this little tip it comes with. Definitely got to do a video with this. Look at this. Just imagine if I had this solution and I can clean this weld right here. Ooh, that would be nice. We're definitely going to do a couple more videos on this. I'm curious to try the TIG welder because, like I've said, some friends of mine have said on these ARCCAPTAIN videos that the TIG welders basically took over their TIG welder they've been using from the beginning. They used this one time and switched. So if you look down there, there's my TIG welder. Yep. And let's see if it's true. I've used this TIG welder for about 5 years, 6 years, and it's been great. But if I can find a TIG welder that's even greater,
And all in one on top of that.
all in one, and makes my work look nicer, it's sold. I mean, 'cause that's not bad. Honestly, 100%. I'm extremely happy with it. I didn't expect to lay it down that nice on the first try. So thank you so much, ARCCAPTAIN. Great job, great machine. And please, people, look them up. We're going to put a link in the description. Promo code FABCO806. Get yours today.